Well, this breaking input is pertinent to the NDA alliance, where Chandrababu Naidu meets Amit Shah and says that he apprises Home Minister of the devastating situation and condition of finances that Andhra Pradesh has already slipped into over the past 5 years. These are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time, where TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu has met Amit Shah and apprised the Home Minister of the devastating conditions of the finances that Andhra Pradesh has slipped into over the past 5 years. So, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Payal with better perspective to the entire situation. A very good morning, Payal. Chandrababu Naidu is seeking higher allocation of funds, demanding for a comprehensive recovery plan for financial crisis of the state. What more has been discussed, and what are the potential solutions that were put on table last night?
Well, of course, the centre has already, started its aid as far as the state of Andhra Pradesh is concerned. A refinery has already been, allocated by the centre in Machilapatnam district of Andhra Pradesh. That has already been done at the cost of 70,000 crores. But there is a huge amount of deficit as far as funds are concerned. Given the fact that Jagan Mohan Reddy, when he came to power, he started doling out freebies, and which actually cost the exchequer a lot of money over the last 5 years. So, financial package is something which Chandrababu Naidu has been seeking. He, of course, reiterated his demands yesterday when he met with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. But what we are also given to understand, that could have been a lot of political talking which could have also taken place, given the fact that, you have the budget session which is coming up. You can expect the NDA to come together as a cohesive unit. There's also a pending NDA spokesperson panel which has been in the talks as well. That has to be announced. So all of these inputs have been taken. And what I'm given to understand from my sources in TDP is this, that, Chandrababu Naidu came to the national capital twice in the last 10 days or 10 to 14 days or so. This time around came to the national capital at the request of the centre. So obviously a discussion took place on the positive front. Today there is a small puja that Chandrababu Naidu will be doing at one Janpat, which is the official residence of the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, and after which he'll leave back for Vijayawada.